This is a white noise machine. Not sure why it's called that. I bought this because I've got really bad tinnitus, and at night when I go to bed, it's so quiet. This is fantastic. And there's 6 channels on here, different sounds. This is heartbeat that you can hear now. Then you've got sea waves, and you can turn the sound right down or right up, whatever. Then you've got a brook. This is a stream. I'm guessing might make you want to get out for a wee, I don't know. I don't play that one. This is birds. This is cute. If you're just sitting and reading, it's a nice background. Then you've got the woods. This is my favourite because it does actually tune into my tinnitus, and probably could tune into a lot of people's because of that sound. It's brilliant. Then you've got white noise, which I've never actually used that one. So it's a bit constant sound. Finally, this is the rain. Again, very soothing. On the side, by the way, this plugs in all battery, so I do take it on holidays as well. On the side is a switch. When you switch it down, after 20 minutes, I'll obviously lay down and go to sleep. After 20 minutes, that switches off automatically. And I have to say, apart from a couple of isolated times, I've never heard that switch off. Also, it's ideal if you do get out in the night for a tiddle. When I come back, I put it on again, and I go straight back to sleep. And in fact, Gunny even likes it, and he doesn't suffer from going not falling asleep. He goes to sleep easily, but he does feel it's missing now if I haven't got it on every night. So that's nice too. It's very soothing. So if you suffer from insomnia or just you know, trouble getting to sleep, staying asleep, tinnitus, give it a try. I think they're brilliant. Thank God I found it anyway.